My name is Peter Bongiorno at the Bongiorno Law Firm here in Mineola, New York. I would like to speak to you for a moment about the grim realities of nursing home abuse, elder abuse in the United States. This should not happen in a civilized society. The elderly are some of our most vulnerable and defenseless people in our community. With the aging population, many people find they don't have an option. They have to go to a nursing home. They have to go to an assisted living facility. Their children moved away, or they're working 2 or 3 jobs trying to make ends meet. In my 25 years of practice, I have seen disgusting and devastating conditions in nursing homes. Residents developing severe and serious bed sores. Residents having to sleep and lie in unsanitary conditions in their own feces. Residents that are being abused sexually, mentally, physically, emotionally. Residents that are being subject to improper care. There are people who work for these facilities that are very simply untrained, unqualified. They just don't care. As a result, the elderly people lie quietly, silently, alone, and frightened in their beds as victims. Very often too humiliated and embarrassed to even tell their own family members. They're being stripped of their value as human beings, as they lay there defenseless, sometimes speechless. When we learn that a client of ours is the victim of abuse, of elder abuse or neglect at a nursing home, we go after them legally. We hold them accountable. Administrators, supervisors, employees who are simply unqualified, untrained. You too can help. If you have a loved one in a nursing home, a friend, a family member, you have a right to visit them. If you detect that they are living in an unsanitary condition, they're the victim of neglect or abuse, they're being treated poorly, they're not getting proper care, make a complaint. Complain to the administration. They have an obligation to remedy the situation, to investigate the situation. Property of the elderly is being taken. Their identities are being stolen. Their accounts are being depleted. Their signatures are being forged. Fraudulent documents are being used. Keep your eyes open for this also. If you find that it is a serious matter that needs to be addressed immediately, call us. Call the Bongiorno Law Firm. Call me, Peter Bongiorno. I know the law, federal and state applicable laws, and if they're violating them, we'll go after them. It just shouldn't happen. Residents in nursing homes have a right to live in a safe and clean environment. Let's always be mindful of the fact that the victims of elder abuse, the victims of nursing home neglect, nursing home abuse, these are people, men and women, who have fought on the battlefields for our country. Veterans. People who back in the day were police officers and teachers and firefighters, volunteers, community leaders, people who made us smile and raised beautiful families, people who made many sacrifices for their family, their country, their community. These are the victims of nursing home abuse. These are the victims that we have to fight for. I know you care, and I certainly know we care at the Bongiorno Law Firm. If there's anything we can do, you call me, Peter Bongiorno, and we will hold these people accountable.